So this is a cuboid having three dimensions L, B and H. It has how many faces? It has 6 faces. Yes, correct. The one on the right side, one at the back side, one on the top, then one in the front, then on the left side, and the base or the bottom. All the 6 faces of cuboid, you can generalize them as rectangles. And each of these 6 rectangles will have 2 of these 3 dimensions L, B and H. Out of these 3, each rectangle will be associated with 2 of them. Let us see them. If we consider front and back 2 faces, they have the dimensions L and H. So basically front and back side of a cuboid are the rectangles with area L times H. Same way, top and bottom of the cuboid are rectangles with dimensions L and B. Here they are appearing as a parallelogram, but if you see the actual cuboid, they are rectangles. The angle formed here is 90 degree. But if we convert a 3D shape into 2D, they appear to be slightly tilted. So they are appearing like a parallelogram, but they are rectangles. And the same way, the right side and the left side, the 2 sides of the cuboid, have the dimensions B and H. The rectangles whose area is B times H. Now why we have divided this cuboid in 6 surfaces, 6 rectangles? Yes, we are finding the surface area. To get the total surface area, we can count the surface area of each rectangle and then we can add them. So area of rectangle, you know, L times B, and according to their dimensions you can have L times H, L times B and B times H. Each of this rectangle is coming 2 times. So adding up this areas, the total surface is 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. Or you can take out 2 common and write as LB plus BH plus LH whole twice. You can note down this formula or take a screenshot. So with the diagram it will be easy to understand and remember. Now sometimes the question is not to find the total surface area but to find the lateral surface area. In lateral surface area, lateral means the sides, only 4 sides. So top and bottom will be removed. The top surface, that is L into B, and bottom surface L into B will be removed, and the lateral surface area means the surface area of only 4 sides, front, back, left and right sides. That is 2BH plus 2LH. Now if you factorize this, you will find one interesting thing. 2L plus B H, 2 times L plus B times H. Now if you see L plus B is perimeter of the base of the cuboid, and if you multiply that perimeter with height, you will get the lateral surface area. So another way to remember this formula, lateral surface area, is perimeter of base times height. You can note down this, take a screenshot. cube. We have first written the volume as L into B into H, and for cube we have L equals to B equals to H, and we call that as A. Then the volume will be A cube. Then we talk about total surface area. Total surface area, in short it is called TSA. We will written for cuboid as 2 times LB, BH and LH. And the same thing we can write for cube. This will be 1A square, second A square, third A square. So 2 times 3A square, that is 6A square. And then we talk about lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. The word meaning of lateral is sides, excluding top and bottom. So sidewise, in short it is called LSA. That was perimeter times height. And if we replace this by all A, this will be 2A. 2A and then again A. So LSA of will be 4A squared. So this is a summary of our discussion. Three formulas for cuboid and 3 formulas for cube, and one basic formula for volume in general is cross-sectional area times length or base area times height. So this is the summary of the chapter